Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2019 68 plate Mutt Mongrel 125. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Right, so we're going to take a close look at this Mutt Mongrel 125. It is one owner from new. If you're not familiar with these are a British bike made in Birmingham in the UK. It's like a retro styled 125 and it is low miles. What we'll do, we'll get a good look all the way around the bike. We'll start at the front and work all the way around. As you can see, tyres in excellent condition there. I say it is low mileage, so it's hardly done any miles. So let's have a look over on the left hand side first. It does have the sport wheels on this, to give it more of that retro feel. And it's a dark metallic grey with the black frame and the brown seat. Let's get a look at the engine on this side. Good close-up look. All very clean there. Get a look at the side plastic cover on there. Get a look at the chain and sprocket. And the rear shock on this side. It is a twin shock. Let's get a look over the top of the seat. And over the tank. Let's move and have a look at the back. And we'll move round to the right hand side. Get a look at the back brake on there. And the shock on this side. Get a look at the plastics in the tank and the seat from this side. Get a good close look at the engine on this side as well. Get a look at the exhaust. Let's get a look at the wheel on this right hand side. Let's go up and have a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's look at the controls. So just standard layout on the controls. You've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch, starter. And over on the other side, you've just got your clutch, your lights, indicators and horn. And if we look up on the dash there, you can see it's done just 919 miles. Also, on there it does have the gear indicator as well, so it lets you know what gear you're in. Okay, let's start this up and let's do it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up that you want in particular, we can do that. Send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219 or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.